5 simple steps to almost $6,000 in 24 hours. Step number 1 is What's up guys, Kris Krāze here. In today's video, we're gonna cover how to make money online today. Yes, this actually works because within the last 24 hours, I've made $6,000 in sales. Yes, with these 5 steps that I'm going to show you on this video. So we're gonna make this quick, but first and foremost, hit the subscribe button, notification bells, and leave a comment below and a like and ding, ding, ding. You know the routine. Yes. Now, of course, as always, I have a bonus at the end that's going to make this so simple. If you stick around for the bonus, seriously, it's like a couple of clicks and it saves you hours of time. So don't miss that. Let's jump into my laptop. Actually, no, we're going to do this video live. So step number 1, find trending items. What are the trending items right now? You may ask this. Everything has a trend. Trends are always happening whether you know it or not. The best way to do this is step number 2. Go to Google Trends. Google Trends. Some of the trending things right now are like gardening, knitting, growing vegetables, things like that. Organizing. People are stuck at home. New trends are coming up in weird places because of the situation at hand. So what else is going on? Well, there's a need for sanitizers, for face masks, for things like that. Now, I'm not telling you to go do that, but that is a trend. Key point there. So what's number 3? Number 3 is plan the process and create the logo. So first you have to plan and you have to pick a trend and a niche. So I'm kind of merging 2 and 3 together because you want a niche that has proof, that has people wanting to know about it, that has people wanting products in that niche. And yes, even though people may not want to be spending money right now, they're still going to spend money on things that they are passionate about and that they want and that they need. Keyword need. So if somebody feels they need something, they're going to go buy it. Now, pick a niche, get that niche, and you make a logo. Now, with everything that I've taught on this video and I'm going to teach, I use all the other videos on my channel, so I practice what I preach. So if you need to look at what you're doing and you want to get this stuff for free and you don't want to spend any money, watch these other videos on my channel. So the planning, don't have a video on that because you have to plan yourself, but creating a logo, have a video on that. We'll pop that video up right there. Now, logogenie.net. I made a logo on Logo Genie. I personally edited it to make it a little bit different. You don't have to do that. You can just download it and save it yourself and start using that as your business logo. Now, I went to Logo Genie, made a logo, put up a website. I personally used another website, which I'm gonna save to the bonus because it has a very special click feature to it. And I'm gonna talk about that in the bonus. But what you can do is you can go to websites that are free, and I have another video about that. We'll pop that up there. Now, Wix, Weebly, those are a couple sites that you can go to. You go to those sites, make a website, and you can start selling products on there. And you figure, I don't have traffic, I don't know where to go. First and foremost, you got to make yourself look legit. About page, contact page, mission statement, values, things like that, products page, the footer at the bottom, things like that. If you make yourself look presentable, it's believable. Now, be ethical here. Don't take people's money. You want to run a successful business and you want to learn how to make money online today. This is how to do it. I'm giving you the steps right here. So number 4 was websites, Wix, Weebly, things like that. Now, what's number 5? 5 is the most important thing, and that's marketing. But what I'm going to tell you in the marketing section here is you don't have to go spend money. No, because actually, even though my site got traffic and I did spend money on ads to market and start getting my initial customer base, what I did was scour the internet, look at competitors, and there actually was somebody there that wanted X amount of units. They left their contact information, and I took a proactive approach and I reached out and I asked him if he still needed those units from my business email, and yes, he replied, and boom, sale done, transaction complete, and just like that, 100 units sold. So yes, $5,900 was the sale amount. The profit, we can get into that on another video. If you comment below, I have no problem telling you the profit because I like keeping things transparent. Different situation, net profit, okay? Yes, margins, you get it all. other videos. So going forward, marketing. Marketing is not just spending money on ads. Marketing is also taking a proactive approach, going in groups, talking to friends. I sent my site out to multiple groups that I'm in, multiple friends. I had a lot of visitors. They shared those posts with other people. So marketing isn't just with paid. A lot of that, it's a sliding scale, remember? Here's the paid side, here's the organic side, okay? Either you're gonna have to pay and do less work, or you're gonna have to not pay and do more work. It's always gonna slide, okay? It's always gonna be a scale. So enough on that, but keep moving forward here. Google ads, Facebook ads, running all those. I'll keep an update on you on this site in the future so you can know how I'm doing. But I wanted to bring this to you in 5 steps. So once you got the website, once you market organically, then it's just affiliate marketing or drop shipping, whatever you want to do. My particular situation is drop shipping. I don't even touch the product. Somebody orders from me, I order from somebody else, they ship it to them, and boom, done. Yes, now, bonus, because I said we were going to keep this short. So I use ClickFunnels. Now, I have a special funnel built out with special features in it already, and I don't mind sharing that with people, but you have to watch this entire video and you have to comment below and tell me that you like this video and what you like about it or what you don't like. I don't want to skew that. Let's be honest here. And I have no problem sharing my funnel with you, but I will contact you and we'll set that up. So I'm Kris Krāze. Thanks for watching this video. This was how to make money online today, because this actually works. This was the last 24 hours that this test project went up, and I probably will make a whole brand out of this. This might be another $1 million brand, which I built many so far. So I'm Kris Krāze. Until next video, subscribe, notification bells, and of course that comment if you want the bonus. Until next time, I'm out.